In this video, I will show you how to make smoky Nigerian jollof rice that is rich, red, and packed with flavor. And yes, we are getting that party taste. I'm going to add onions to my already hot oil. Then I'm going to fry for about 5 to 10 minutes. You see here, I actually use Gino. Gino is going to give it that very red, thick, rich color. Then I'm going to fry my tomato paste for 10 minutes. You can see here, you can see that it's separated from the oil already. One thing I want you to know is if you skip frying the tomato paste properly, your jollof will taste like raw tomato. Like that tomato paste, you need to fry it properly. Then I'm going to add my pepper mix. Then I'm going to fry for another 5 to 10 minutes. You can see it's ready. Now I'm going to season with Maggi seasoning. Here I use 4 cubes of naan. Then I added salt, I added thyme, added curry, added rosemary, and bay leaf. Then you're going to stir together. Here you can taste it because your sauce determines how your jollof will taste. So you need to taste your sauce. Now I'm going to add my watch rice. For this rice, I use Sela basmati long grain rice. The rice is very good. It does not get soggy and it always come out very nice. Just have to stir together. Now I'm adding my chicken stock. You have to stir together. Now I'm adding water. Make sure the liquid is not too much. It should just be slightly above the rice. Too much stock will make the rice soft and mushy, and you don't want a soft rice. So just a little bit above the rice. You can see here. It's just as if I didn't add any water, but I actually did. It's just a little bit above. Now you have to cover with foil paper so that it can cook on a very low heat. Please don't keep opening the pot. Jollof rice needs steam to cook properly. You should cook on a low heat for about 25 to 35 minutes and you should allow it to burn slightly. You can see my jollof rice is ready. I'm allowing the rice to toast slightly at the bottom on very low heat. This gives it that smoky, you can see it gives it that smoky flavor, but be careful so you don't burn everything. Now the rice is perfectly cooked. Just look at my rice. Don't forget we are making Asun Jollof Rice. So I'm going to add a bit of butter to just keep it moisturized. For my Asun video, I will be dropping my Asun video next week on my channel. Please guys come back to watch the video. Please like, please subscribe and share my video with your friends. Just look at my Asun. Yeah, so I'm going to be adding Asun at this point because we're making jollof Asun. This is not your regular smoking Asun jollof rice. So guys, please subscribe to my channel. Please like my video. Please share with your friends. Just look at how beautiful it is. Just look at the color. Every grain separated color and colorful and full of flavor. If you're enjoying this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Comment down below and tell me what you like to eat your jollof rice with: chicken, turkey or fish. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. And guys, please don't forget the pepper mix I use for this jollof rice is actually by the end of this video. So please check it out. Okay, guys, bye bye.